Hello, and welcome to today's training. Today is our last training, so today I wanted to show you something that goes beyond the websites, something that you can use for long term in your business, and it will be really useful. So today I'm going to share with you how to make your applications and online tools to work together as a team, which means we will learn how to integrate them. So if you're watching me on replay, comment hashtag replay below. If you're watching me on live, then let me know you are here so I know who I'm talking to. So I'm just going to share my screen as usual, and then we're going to go to our WordPress first. Now I'm showing this on my paid WordPress because I think in the free one you won't be able to do this, especially because most of the tools need to be installed a plugin first and then you need to integrate it. So once you are installed, let's say first the Stripe plugin, you will have a settings on your WordPress. It's a Stripe payment. Facebook user, hello, good morning. Please click the link on the top of this description. It say you need to click the link to allow Facebook and StreamYard to show your name, and then I will know who you are. Otherwise, I only see Facebook user. So once you go on your settings in Stripe, you find the setting button, and then you have to go down. You obviously have to set up all the settings what you need, but for the integration you need to go down and find the credentials tab, and then it's asking you is it a live mode, so you need to tick this box that this is going to be a live mode, otherwise it's just going to be a test, so you won't be able to receive any payments, so you need to tick this box. Then it's asking live Stripe publishable key and live Stripe secret key. Now to find that, you need to go to your Stripe, and once you logged in, you go to your menu and find the developers tab. Most of the applications and online tools going to have these settings in the developers tab. Then you can see API version. You always need to look for API key or API settings. And then, in the right side, left side, under the developers tab, there is another button, API keys. Then you click on that one, and you can see publishable key. So you need to click on this, then it's copying it for you. And you go back to your dashboard, and you have to copy that to here, live Stripe publishable key. You just go in here and copy and paste that information here from Stripe. Then you go back to your Stripe, and you need to create a secret key. Once you create a secret key, you need to give a name for it. Let's see, test, and then create. Then it's asking your password to make sure it's you who making this. Press continue. And then here is your secret key. Now this you won't be able to see this secret key anymore, so you need to click on it to copy and save it somewhere. otherwise you won't be able to have it again, because this is a secret thing, so you can't see it anymore. And then you save. Once you saved it and you have the copy in your you copied that link, then you go back to your WordPress and find the live Stripe secret key and you paste it in here. And then don't forget to press the Save Changes button, and then your Stripe will work on your website. Now we have a PayPal setting as well. If you want to add your PayPal to your website, you can install the WP PayPal plugin, and then it's asking you to give him the PayPal merchant ID. I spent a lot of time finding APA keys and stuff on PayPal. Thankfully, it doesn't ask for APA key because I had no chance to find it. But the merchant ID is there. So you go to your PayPal and you go hover over your name, and then you press account settings. And he's asking me to log in again because I haven't been there for a long time. And so just bear with me, it's gonna send me a message now. If it's ever gonna receive it. Somehow I'm not receiving this message now. Why would anything work when you need it? Fine, I received it now. 494 494 653. Okay. So you go to your dashboard on your PayPal. And then once you click this account settings, this is what you will see. And then you go down and find in the left side business information. You click on that one and you scroll back up and you can find PayPal merchant ID. So you need to copy this one and paste it here where your website asking for PayPal merchant ID. And then you need to give the PayPal email, what you're using, and you need to add the currency and then save changes. And that's all. PayPal will be working on your website. Now, where is my active campaign to show you? I think is under the tools. No, settings. If you go to your, of course, you need to install the Active Campaign plugin on your website, and then go to your settings and find Active Campaign. This is an email marketing tool. Active Campaign is help you manage your email list and create sign-up forms and everything. So it's again, it's asking API URL and API key. To get that, you go to your Active Campaign dashboard and you open your menu and find settings. And on the settings, you have to find the developer tab. As I mentioned before, most of the time it will be on under the developer tab. And there it is. You can straight away see API access. You need to copy this URL first, and you will go back and paste it here, API URL. And then you go back to your ActiveCampaign, copy this key, and go back to your WordPress and paste it to your API key part. Then you have to press update settings and it will work. And this is the place where you can set up your forms as well. If you have any forms in your ActiveCampaign dashboard, you will have your forms show up in here in your WordPress once you integrated the two applications together. Now I want to use a JotForm to show you how can you try out these things, because JotForm is free and is an awesome tool to create any sign-up forms for your business. However, the free account only allows you to have 5 forms. But to show you how to integrate things in here is really easy. You create your form, and once you created your form and you want to link it to your email supplier, for example, your ActiveCampaign, you go to your settings and find the integration tab. Once you are in there, then you can find and search for any other email marketing tools. I have my ActiveCampaign already set up, but when you go there, I will just edit integration, and then it's going to ask you things you have to, or let me see if I can integrate something else. Maybe it's asking different things. For example, you integrate your type, it will create a box in here. So if you want payment on your forms, you can add either PayPal or Stripe to it, and then in the right side you need to set up. So first you need to connect with Stripe, and it does the job for you automatically, hopefully. Then you need to choose live mode, choose your currency. We should not finding that one. Let me find it manually. Bum, bum. Egyptian, British pound. Yeah. Payment type. You can sell product or sell subscription, or you can add user-defined amount or collect donations. I leave it to sell product and then continue. And then you can create your products in here, and then it will show up in this part. You can add the coupons for your products. Once you set up your product, you can change the shipping information, the tax and the invoice information as well. So in JotForm is really easy to integrate with these things. But when you integrate your ActiveCampaign, you have to do it from the settings like I've been before. Press integration, press ActiveCampaign, and then you need to choose the action, what you want to do. So for me, I chose create and update a contact. That means if anybody sign up for this JotForm form, they will automatically be added to your ActiveCampaign list. And then you select which list you want it to be. And then you can add the tag for them if you want. And then you can add the fields what you want to be shown on your ActiveCampaign. So if you have other fields in here in this form, in the JotForm that will be useful, let's say phone number, then you can add it to your uh, active campaign. However, I don't have those in this JotForm. And then you can test the integration and press save, and it will be done for you. So I hope this is helpful, this video for you. Yesterday I created a PDF for you if you're using WordPress with a phone. How can you use it? Where are your buttons? And how to change it to look like if you were using a computer. So I hope you find that useful. And today, as a homework, I would really love to see all of your websites. So on the tasks post, please share with me your website links. Doesn't matter if it's not finished or anything. And when I go live at night time, I'm going to give feedback for everybody's website. I can't wait to see where you are all up to. And I will be seeing you at night. Bye bye.